Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your REALME C75. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in these settings. So we want to adjust it manually. We're going to go over into the settings. Now, here in these settings, we need to go and find display and brightness. Here we got the display and brightness. Let me quickly change it to light mode so you guys can see it more clearly. We got the brightness right here, and as you guys can see, we want to make sure first that auto brightness is disabled. This is very important because we don't want our brightness to be adjusted automatically since we want to adjust it manually. Here we can just grab the slider and change the value of it. So I will keep it like this, or maybe I'll even increase it. And we're gonna stay on this brightness. Now what are we gonna do next is we're gonna go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store we're gonna download the screen dimming app. So I'll see you guys in a second once I sign in. So let's go to search. Now here in the search, what are we searching for is the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now we're going to download the first app made by REALME. We're going to click on it. We're going to click install, and it's only 1.5 megabytes. So it should install pretty quickly. As you guys can see, it's already installing. Let's click open once we can. Let's click it. And we need to grant the permissions. So the first one, to modify the system settings so it can adjust our brightness. The next one is to update the overlay whenever we enable our keyboard or rotate our screen. So we're going to go to downloaded apps. Now the screen dimmer, and click here. We're going to click on allow, and we're going to leave it. Now we're going to grant the last permission to display the brightness bar in the notification area, and we can click to enable the service. As you guys can see, it works just fine. We can dim our screen and see if there are any issues. Now we can also go and change the brightness settings right here. We can make it brighter or dimmer, totally up to us. We can change advanced settings right here, like minimum physical brightness, change delay, and change duration. So here we can adjust it, and once we want to turn off the app, we can just tap on the switch right here. Now when it's gray, then that means it's all good. What are we going to do as a last resort here is we're going to update our software. So we're going to go to the settings, and in the settings, we're going to swipe down to system and update. Here we're going to click on software update, and as you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically. So soon we should get our results. As you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software so you are not stuck with any old glitches on your REALME. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.